Sometimes it needs to add trim function with if function. For example, here is a table shows a test results of some employees in a company, and based on their test result, if they have passed or failed, based on that their promotion will be determined. We can easily do that by using a simple if function. So to start that, just write if, then the logical test, if the cell is equal to passed, then promoted, and if the value is false, then not promoted. Don't forget to add the quotation mark if you write a word. Okay, so hit enter. So based on John's test results, he has promoted. And if you drag to all the other cells, okay, so here you can see some of the problems, like if someone failed in the test, he will not be promoted, but if he passed in the test, he would be promoted. But if Amy has passed the test, but from this equation as it shows, she has not been promoted according to the equation. So why this is showing that? Because sometimes when you give the input, you accidentally can add additional spaces in front of the word that can create an issue. So to solve that, what you have to do, basically, trim has to be added within if function. So let's say here you can just add trim here, and within that you can keep the text, then hit enter. So if you extend this equation for other cells, you see now it has been fixed for Ed as well as Amy. So that's how you can fix the extra space problem in Microsoft Excel when you use if function.